First, make sure the necessary services are running. Open the Start menu, type Services, and launch the Services app. Find Windows Installer, right-click on it, and select Start if it's not already running, or Restart if it is running. Next, we'll re-register the Windows installer. Depending on whether you have a 32-bit or 64-bit system, you'll need to run different commands in Command Prompt. I'll leave the exact commands in the description below. After running the appropriate commands, your Windows installer should be back on track. That's all for today. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and see you in next video.